Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good. Children, are you eating Maggie? You all like to eat Maggie, no? Yes. So today we will sing Maggie song, okay? You all enjoy it. Oh, you all will enjoy this song, okay? So be ready with me. I am Maggie, I am Maggie, yummy and tasty, yummy and tasty. All children love me to eat. All children love me to eat. But please don't eat me so much. But please don't eat me so much. I'm not good for your health. I'm not good for your health. Sunday is the Maggie day. Sunday is the Maggie day. So children, you don't eat Maggie every day. Only Sundays you eat. Okay? So nursery children, we learnt all the patterns. Now you know to write standing line, slipping line, slanting line, curved line, circle, zigzag line, everything you know, no? I know that you all are practicing it daily at your home. So today we learn to write some letters, alphabets, ABCD, yes, but we have to write it in cursive. So first of all I want to show you something. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is an aeroplane. Where aeroplane flies? Aeroplane flies high in the sky. Yes, so A for aeroplane. So we will learn to write small cursive A. And now tell me, what is this? Tell me, have you ever seen this bird? Yes, this is cock. C for cock. And what is this? This is cat. C for cat. C for cock and C for cat. So today we will learn to write small cursive C and small cursive A. So children, you open your slates and take out your slate pen or open your book and crayon and be ready with me, and I will teach you how to write letter C and letter A. First we will write letter C, alphabet C, C for cat. So how to write that? First we have to make one slanting line and do this curve. This is C. What is this? Letter C. But we will write it properly. Okay children? You also write it properly. Okay? You make one slant line, start from the down, take it up and make curve line. This is small cursive C. So again we will write this. Make one slant line and curve line. This is small cursive C. C for cat, C for car. And this small cursive C, we have to write in only the two blue lines, not to take it up or not to take it down. You have to write it in a blue lines only. Okay? So again we will write it. Start from the down and make small curve. This is small cursive C. Here again I am writing this. You just see here, okay children? Which letter is this? Small cursive C. You write with me in your notebook or in your slate. C. And how to write this? Start from the down blue line, make slant line and curve line. This is small cursive C. Again. Okay. So, this way you have to practice in your notebook, one full page you practice every day. And now we will write small cursive A for aeroplane and A for apple. Are you eating apple? No? Yes, we have to eat apples every day. Apple a day keeps a doctor away. So, now we will write small cursive A. You just see here how to write that. Now, if you know how to write small cursive C, then it is very easy for you to write small cursive A. Same as C, we will start slant line, then curve, then take it up and go down. This is small cursive A. So, again we will start writing this slant line, then curve line, then take it up and go down. This is small cursive A. Again slant line and this way and this way. This is small cursive A. A for ant, A for axe. Okay. Again you also slowly you practice, you will learn to write this fast because you know all the patterns. So, you will learn fast. Again C, you have to write it properly. If you don't write properly, then you have to rub it and rewrite it again. Okay. So, start from the down and do this way. This is small cursive A. Again start from the down, take it up, again go down. This is small cursive A. Which letter is this? Small cursive A. See, if you are making mistake, then you have to rub it and you have to write it again. Yes, children? Okay. So, again we will write this small cursive A. Okay. Slanting line, make curve line, go up and again come down. This is small cursive A. Now, which are these letters? Small cursive C and this is small cursive A. So, please children, you practice C and A daily in your notebook or in your slate at your home. Thank you.
Dear students, do remember to hit that like and subscribe button and press the bell icon too.